Most people learn about Neptune in a single sentence. It is the eighth planet from the Sun, the most distant major planet in the solar system, a cold blue giant orbiting far beyond Earth. And then the lesson usually moves on. The inner planets, the gas giants, perhaps a few facts about rings and moons, and that is where the story ends. But Neptune is far stranger than most people realize, because hidden behind that familiar blue appearance is a world of violent storms, impossible winds, mysterious heat, and discoveries so unusual that they challenge our understanding of how planets work. A world that should not behave the way it does. A world so distant that sunlight arriving there is nearly 1,000 times weaker than the sunlight reaching Earth. And yet somehow, despite receiving almost no energy from the Sun, Neptune remains one of the most active planets in the entire solar system. In many ways, Neptune is not simply another planet. It is one of the greatest mysteries orbiting our star. The story begins with something remarkable. Unlike most planets, Neptune was discovered before anyone actually saw it. That sounds impossible. How can you discover a planet without observing it? The answer lies in gravity. During the 19th century, astronomers noticed that the orbit of Uranus was behaving strangely. Its motion did not perfectly match predictions. Something appeared to be tugging on it, something invisible. At first, nobody knew what that something was. But mathematicians began calculating. Using only the laws of gravity and the observed motions of Uranus, they attempted to predict the location of an unknown object, an unseen world hiding in the darkness. Then, in 1846, astronomers pointed their telescopes toward the predicted location. And there it was, Neptune, a planet discovered through mathematics before direct observation. One of the most extraordinary achievements in the history of science. It was as if humanity had found a hidden island simply by watching the movement of distant waves. And yet, despite this remarkable discovery, Neptune remained largely unknown. The planet was simply too far away. Even through powerful telescopes, it appeared as a small blue disk. Beautiful, distant, mysterious. For more than a century, nobody knew what Neptune truly looked like. Then, in 1989, everything changed. A spacecraft called Voyager 2 arrived after a journey lasting nearly 12 years. To this day, it remains the only spacecraft ever to visit Neptune, the only human-made object that has explored the planet up close. And what it discovered surprised everyone. Neptune looked calm from afar. But in reality, it was one of the most violent places in the solar system. Gigantic storms swirled through its atmosphere. Cloud systems stretched across enormous distances. Dark atmospheric features appeared and disappeared, and the winds were astonishing. Some exceeded 2,000 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed of sound under Earth's atmospheric conditions. The fastest sustained planetary winds ever observed in the solar system. Think about that. On Earth, hurricanes can devastate entire regions. The strongest storms on Neptune involve winds capable of crossing continents in mere hours. And this raises an obvious question. Where does all that energy come from? After all, Neptune is incredibly far from the Sun. At an average distance of about 4.5 billion kilometers, sunlight reaching Neptune is weak. Very weak. The planet receives only a tiny fraction of the solar energy Earth receives. Logic suggests Neptune should be quiet, frozen, inactive. Yet the opposite is true, because Neptune possesses a secret. The planet generates significant internal heat. In fact, Neptune emits more than twice as much energy as it receives from the Sun. Somehow, deep inside the planet, additional energy is being released. Scientists believe this heat may originate from processes occurring within Neptune's interior. Perhaps leftover energy from its formation. Perhaps slow gravitational compression. Perhaps mechanisms not yet fully understood. Whatever the source, the result is extraordinary. A distant planet powered partly from within. A world whose weather is fueled not only by sunlight, but by hidden internal energy. And weather on Neptune is unlike anything found on Earth. Massive storms emerge unexpectedly. Some disappear after only a few years. Others drift across the atmosphere before vanishing entirely. One of the most famous was the Great Dark Spot observed by Voyager 2. At first, it seemed similar to the giant storm systems seen on Jupiter. Astronomers assumed it might persist for centuries. Then they looked again years later. It was gone, completely vanished. A planetary-scale storm larger than Earth simply disappeared, and new ones formed elsewhere. Neptune's atmosphere behaves like a constantly changing puzzle, one that scientists are still trying to understand. But the mysteries do not stop there, because Neptune is not a gas giant in the same category as Jupiter and Saturn. Instead, it belongs to a different class of planet, an ice giant, along with Uranus. Despite the name, this does not mean Neptune is made of ordinary ice. Rather, much of its interior likely contains exotic forms of water, ammonia, and methane compressed under extraordinary pressures. Conditions unlike anything naturally occurring on Earth. The deeper you descend into Neptune, the stranger things become. Pressure rises dramatically. Temperatures increase. Matter behaves in unfamiliar ways. Scientists believe oceans of superheated fluid may exist deep within the planet. Not oceans like Earth's, not places where ships could sail, but vast regions where water exists under extreme conditions. And then there's one of the most fascinating possibilities of all. Deep inside Neptune, carbon atoms may be subjected to such immense pressures that they crystallize into diamonds. According to some models, diamonds could literally form within the planet's interior and sink downward like rain. Diamond rain, a concept that sounds like science fiction, yet one that emerges naturally from the physics of extreme planetary environments. Whether the process occurs exactly as envisioned remains uncertain, but the possibility reveals just how alien Neptune truly is. This is not merely a colder version of Earth. It is a fundamentally different type of world, a place where familiar materials become something extraordinary. And then there is Neptune's largest moon, Triton, a world so unusual that many scientists believe it did not form alongside Neptune at all. Instead, Triton may be a captured object, a former resident of the distant outer solar system seized by Neptune's gravity long ago. Unlike most large moons, Triton orbits backward, a clue suggesting a dramatic history. And Voyager 2 revealed something even stranger: active geysers, nitrogen erupting from the surface, evidence that Triton remains geologically active despite its extreme distance from the Sun. In a region once thought frozen and dead, activity persisted. Another reminder that the outer solar system is far more dynamic than it appears. And perhaps that is the biggest lesson Neptune teaches us. The farther we travel into the universe, the more reality surprises us. Neptune was expected to be quiet. It was turbulent. It was expected to be simple. It was complex. It was expected to be well understood. It remains deeply mysterious. Even today, astronomers possess only a brief snapshot of the planet. One flyby, a handful of observations, fragments of understanding collected from billions of kilometers away. Entire generations have lived and died since Voyager 2 passed Neptune, yet no spacecraft has returned. No orbiter circles the planet. No probe studies its atmosphere directly. Much of Neptune remains unexplored, waiting, and perhaps the strangest reality is this: the last major planet in our solar system is also one of the least understood. A giant world larger than Earth by many times. A planet with supersonic winds, vanishing storms, hidden heat, exotic interiors, and a captured moon unlike any other. all orbiting in the darkness nearly 5 billion kilometers from the Sun. A distant blue world that most people encounter only as a small picture in a textbook. Yet behind that picture lies one of the most extraordinary places humanity has ever discovered. A reminder that even in our own cosmic backyard, some of the greatest mysteries are still waiting to be explored.